Hi friends, I'm Niki and welcome to my channel Niki's Diary. Are you someone who likes to own unique things, something which you only have? Yes, this video is for you because I am a huge sucker for unique things. If I see someone wearing same clothes as me, I stop wearing them. So today is a DIY video of a wallet, a very easy wallet DIY, which I am sure everyone can do that.
For this DIY, you will require a wallet, nail paints of various colors, white marker, and a masking tape, which is optional. You can use fabric paint also, but I prefer nail paints as they come in various colors and are always present in house. I have made a design from pen which I really love, and after that I have taped the areas to have a clean look. So here's the final look of the wallet. Now I have my unique customized wallet. This way you can create any design of any color and the possibilities are unlimited.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I loved making this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.